Hey YouTube, it's Felicia here, and I'm coming to show you my nighttime routine since I'm gonna get ready to go to bed, and I want to show you a hair nighttime routine and everything. And one of the products I love to use when it starts time for me to grow back my hair, I have several things that I use. So one of the things is right now my hair sort of is giving like it's kind of drying a little bit, but before it completely is dry, and y'all please excuse my voice, it's sinuses season for me and I'll talk about that at a later date. But one of the things I'm going to be used is let me make sure I pronounce this right, the Bonner Brothers product, and it's extra strength. It has 4 ounces more, and it is the oil moisturizer hair lotion with castor oil and aloe oil in it for its for blow drying, conditioning, and grooming. And it says it works. It's 12 fluorine ounces in thing, and this is a product I like to use either way. Alright, and then another product I have almost just like it. If I can get to it. It's the emotions, and it has sheep butter, argan oil, and coconut oil in it. And it does almost about the same thing, but it has different it does almost about the same thing. And this is with, like, right here, if you see this, I'll tell you what it doesn't have in it. So that's good about that one. But the one I'm using tonight and thing, I am going to start using this once a week. So yeah, let me think. I'll wait to use that one, but I want to actually use this. This is the one I'm going to use. And I put a good amount in my hand. And what I'll do tomorrow, and I'll show you what I'll put. I'll put about this much in my hand in my hair. That gets my whole head. So that makes me like gets my sides, my front, and my back. All right. And this is how I go to bed at night with my hair. Clean hair. So it was just time for me to do clean hair. Just add a little bit more in my hand. About that much. And we're going to add that in the middle of my hair because that's where it's drier more. And what I would do when I get up in the morning is I'll, one, pick it. I'll give it a good picking. And then in the middle of the day, and I do this, I can do it in the morning time, middle of the day, or afternoon. And this is like help me not to. And what I would do is I'll use the tropical roots, all hair types, serum oil with pineapple and java oil, adds shine, strengthen, and promotes hair growth. So yes, so that is what I would use. like I said, morning, noon, or night, either one. So I might just use that in the morning. And so what I'm doing is I'm going in where my edges are, and I'm rubbing where I think might be excess product and stuff. And I'm just sort of like just rubbing it in. But yeah, this is the nighttime routine. As you see, very curly. But yeah, if y'all want me to do a full, uh, let me get this out before I forget. Full hair products that I use on my hair in general, please comment below and I will do one. Or get me 50 views and I will do one. Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.